Welcome to the Take Action option of the I Belong Here project. With this project, teachers can empower their students to explore their future as bilingual Quebecers. When thinking back to when they were in school, many adults who became engaged French learners speak about teachers who shared their passion for the language through hands-on experiences in meaningful ways. They remember being engaged while learning and it being a rewarding experience for them and for their teachers. They remember how these teachers made them feel while they were learning. The Take Action option is an opportunity for teachers to implement a project that will help develop students' long-term interest in learning and speaking French, while also making community connections. Learn has partnered with Youth for Youth Quebec, a non-profit organization working with English-speaking youth across Quebec. For this project, Youth for Youth will recruit young adults who have successfully navigated their post-secondary education and work opportunities in both languages. These youth mentors will share their experiences with students. Here are the steps to the Take Action project. Teachers who apply and are accepted will be offered a half day of release time to participate in an orientation and planning session with the I Belong Here project team. Then, there will be time to engage the students and to brainstorm ideas around what kinds of activities they would find helpful to inspire them to develop their French communication skills. It is during this part that the youth mentors would either visit the school in person or virtually. Next, teachers will engage students in planning their Take Action project. The project will happen, and once completed, there will be an opportunity to celebrate their achievements. At the end, students will reflect on their experiences and provide feedback on what they learned and how they feel about their bilingualism. What kind of activities could students participate in that are motivating and meaningful to develop their French language skills? They could write a story or a play for younger students. They could serve tea and share stories with seniors. They could participate in a community cleanup or other environmental initiative. They can also organize a multi-sports activity for families. What would work in your community with your students? And who could help you to make it happen? The Take Action option of the I Belong Here project is an opportunity to engage students in project-based learning that will encourage them to authentically use their French language skills and instill in them confidence in their ability to speak French and to address a need in their community.
It's a project that everyone should do because it's come from the kids, so they've kind of been the ones to have the idea and then we just run with it.
Meaningful learning happens when kids are proactive, their hands are getting dirty, and they're seeing the results from beginning to end.
Take Action projects benefit both students and communities. Students acquire practical skills, develop empathy, and enhance their understanding of diverse perspectives. At the same time, communities receive valuable assistance and support from students, creating a collaborative relationship that strengthens the bonds between education and community. This approach not only enriches the educational experience, but also instills a sense of social responsibility, preparing students to be active and engaged citizens in the broader world.
Je suis nerveuse quand je parle français et j'ai beaucoup d'erreurs des fois.
I'm also nervous when I speak English.
A lot of things that I do right now are because I'm bilingual.
Through the Take Action option, students can immerse themselves in authentic language use, honing their language skills in real-life contexts. This way, they can foster bilingualism, but also cultivate cultural awareness and sensitivity.
It's important for them to show their artistic side. Maybe it's a drama piece, or maybe it's a photography piece, or a painting. Just love bringing that into the classroom, and then for them to be able to show off what they've accomplished.
It's really cool to see, and like not only do they shine, but like all those other skills that they're developing, just how to cooperate, how to have a discussion, how to disagree with somebody appropriately, like, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like these are skills that we need so much in our society.
I truly love these type of activities, projects, and I want to continue to incorporate them in my lessons.
It encourages students to appreciate the linguistic diversity within their community and to recognize the importance of effective communication across language barriers.